If you're looking to celebrate National Caesar Day tomorrow with a new twist on an old favorite, co-founder of Zirkova Vodka, Katherine Vellinga, joins us now with a smoky Caesar.
Yes, so this is so amazing.
I can't believe this
you can
is
do
gonna
this at
happen.
home. So
Okay.
I'm going to do the smoking, you're going to do the Caesar, okay?
Deal.
And we're going to put it all together.
Okay.
There's a couple of different ways of doing this. Easy way, find a stick.
Any stick?
You light a stick, well, a maple stick or something. I found it on the ground. You turn the bottle over,
Okay.
and you smoke your bottle, okay?
Oh my gosh, I love this.
But I'm going to do it this way. I've got a smoking gun. Wait, is there a joke about that?
This is a little bit
Right?
smarter.
And then I can just, right? And then you've just got the smoke that comes out,
Oh my goodness, look at this.
right? So I'm just smoking my bottle this way, okay?
Okay.
And that's going into the bottle. Okay, so yes, the smell is amazing, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we're
Are we smoking still?
in the interest of time, I'm just going to quickly cap it. Okay, so you got the idea.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
You've got to
the
cap
smell
that
is
quickly,
amazing.
okay?
Okay.
And now you're making the Caesar. So
Okay.
I've already poured a Clamato. You're adding in your
Vodka.
Worcestershire
Wendy Dice.
and your Tabasco.
My Worcestershire. Worcestershire. No one says it. No one ever says it correctly.
No, add it to here. Add it to here.
Okay. Worcestershire.
Yes, and then I know you like it heavy. With
I like
that,
it
right?
muddy.
She does. She
do. I
does.
like a
We already
muddy
discussed
Caesar.
this. It's all about being yourself, your preferences.
Yeah.
Caesars are the ultimate way to express yourself.
It is. Oh,
and then as much Tabasco as you need.
that's good. Okay.
Okay, now quickly, we're gonna give that a little shake.
Okay. Leave the vodka for after.
And no, put the vodka now.
Okay.
So we're using Zirkova together. So Emily, we created Zirkova together with the goal of making the best Caesars. So we're Canadians, we drink 500 million Caesars a year. And in Ukraine, we have the birthplace of vodka. So we're bringing it all together.
Right, it kind of makes sense.
Exactly,
We should
exactly. We're
definitely
bringing it all
partner.
together.
Okay.
This is where we distill. And now you're adding this into my smoky bottle.
Okay. Wait, there's a funnel, right? Okay.
Yes, there is a funnel.
Like we're not going to try and pull this
we
off
come
without
prepared.
a funnel.
No.
All of it?
Yeah, all of it. Get it in there quickly. I've got ice in the freezer if you
Okay.
want to
gonna get
grab
it.
that.
This freezer?
Yep.
Okay.
We're gonna.
Oh, you
Yes,
do. Look
and
at
then
you. You're
and then we're
prepared.
basically just getting all that smoke inside. Look at us. Look at us.
We are prepared.
We are prepared. Oh. It's really icy. We're so prepared. Okay.
We're overly prepared.
We're actually just going to put it right in here.
I think that's a better idea because who needs that?
Because you know what?
Who needs the rim?
Note to self, rim your glasses in advance, put the ice in advance. Give that a stir.
It's one of these
Too icy, too icy.
It's one of these days.
And actually, and
What are
then
we putting in?
you're adding your ingredients. So
Okay,
you,
we've got
you
about-
add a little bit of barbecue sauce, maple syrup
Oh, yeah.
to that.
Okay, we've got about 45 seconds left.
Okay.
Tell me about
What's happening today? Okay, so we are the founders of Zirkova Vodka, and my husband and I are behind the brand. We produce in Ukraine, and we are having a special tasting. You can try the Smoky Caesar. You can come and meet my co-founder, John, at the
Amazing.
Dundas Street LCBO at 119 Osler from 1 to 5 today.
Oh my gosh,
they
you're gonna be so busy.
Yeah, we're going to be busy, and come and meet us. Yeah, you give that a stir, right?
It's all good.
It's all good. It's all good. This is what it's all about, being yourself, enjoying the weekend, and having
true.
a wonderful time with wonderful people.
Elevating it to a smoky Caesar. Thank you so much
Thank
for coming in
you.
today. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, delicious.
Good more.
Lots more coming up. Stay
Isn't
with
that
us on
amazing?
Morning Live.
Can you taste the smoke? It's
incredible.
beautiful.
So good.